Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today, magsasagot lang tayo ng 4 na items. And ito ay possible na lumabas sa mga entrance exam and pwede rin kung gusto mo mag-take ng STEM strand. So, start na tayo. What is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 hanggang plus 2017? Paano ba natin to i-solve? Mapapansin natin na hindi siya arithmetic sequence and hindi rin siya geometric sequence. So, ganito ang gagawin natin. Separate natin lahat ng mga odd numbers hanggang 2017. And i-separate din natin yung mga even na mga negative numbers. So, ganito. Magiging 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus hanggang 2017. Kasi 2017 is, odd number. So, dito naman sa yung mga tira, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, hanggang negative 2016. Now, kapag mayroon tayong odd numbers, starting palagi sa 1, mayroon tayong formula dyan. And that is simply n squared. Yung n is kung ilan silang odd numbers. So, from 1 to 2017, there are 1,009 odd numbers. So, paano ba natin ito i-check kung tama? Pwede mo siya i-divide by 2, that is 1,008. And since nagsimula ka sa 1, nagtapos ka sa odd number, sobra yung odd number na isa kaysa sa even number. And that is 1,009. So, dito naman sa kabila, napapansin natin lahat sila negative. Pwede natin siya ilabas. So, magiging ganito. Plus 4 plus 6 plus hanggang plus 2016. And mapapansin natin na it follows an arithmetic sequence whose common difference is 2. Kasi nag-add lang tayo ng 2 para makuha yung next term. So, paano ba natin makuha tong sum ng arithmetic sequence? Di ba meron tayong dalawang version? And ang gagamitin nating version is yung n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Ano tong n? A sub 1 and a sub n. N is the number of terms. And a first term, an is last term. So, now, ilan silang terms? From 2 to 2016, there are 1,008. Divide mo lang sa 2. So, a sub 1 is 2, a sub n is 2016. Ito, pag inad mo, magiging 2018. Then, pag dinivide mo sa 2, that is 1,009. So, palitan na natin 1,009. Now, pwede natin i-factor out yung common, 1,009. And, di ba, nakascore pala to? Pasensya na. So, pinactor out natin yung 1,009. 1,009 na lang na isa. Minus 1,008. And this is just simply 1. So, 1,009 times 1 is 1,009. And that is the final answer. A number is reduced by p%. How many percent should it be raised then to go back to the original number? So, paano ba natin ito i-solve? First, we will let the original number as Bn. Ito, n. Next, isa-isay natin. A number is reduced by p%. So, magiging n minus p over 100 times n. So, ganito yung representation ng percent natin. P over 100 multiplied by the number n. So, di natin gagamitin dito yung decimal na version kasi di natin alam kung ilang digit ba tong p. Kasi kung 1 digit yan na p, 0.0p times n. Pero kung 2 digits yan, 0.p times n. Pero di natin alam, so mas safe na gamitin yung p over 100 times n. Next, how many percent should it be raised then? So, magre-raise, so magpa-plus tayo to go back daw to the original number. So, we will let k yung percent natin. So, magiging k over 100 times n minus p times n over 100. So, eto. Yan yung niloob ko dito kasi eto na yung bagong number natin. So, yan na. And that is equal to the original number which is n. So, using this equation, we will solve for k. So, eto makakancel agad. And eto pwede natin ilipat. Nagiging P times n over 100. Inalis ko na yung parenthesis. N minus P times n over 100. K yung hinahanap natin. So, pwede natin siya i-multiply both side by 100. Kasi ito maka-cancel and ito rin. So, P times n is equal to K times n minus P times n over 100. And ito, pwede muna natin to i-simplify, and that is equal to 100 times 100 n minus P times n. So, papalitan na natin siya. 100n minus P times n. Then, multiplied both side by the reciprocal of this para makuha natin yung K lang. So, 100 over 100n minus P times n. So, pag minultiply natin to, makakancel lang naman dyan. So, sulat din natin din dito para is P times n. So, eto na-cancel sila. So, K na lang matitira. And that is equal to, so, 100P times n over this. And meron tayong makakancel na n. So, labas natin si n. 100P over, kasya pa naman, n times 100 minus P. Cancel yung n, and that is equal to 100 times P all over 100 minus P. And this is the final answer. The sum of the roots of 4x squared is equal to 8x minus d is twice their difference. Find the value of d. First, we will let the roots be r and s. Next, sabi daw, yung sum daw ng roots is twice their difference. So, r plus s is twice times, so, r minus s. Next, di ba itong r plus s, pwede natin siya makuha using Vieta's formula. Gamit itong equation na given sa atin. So, pwede natin ito isulat as ganito. And using Vieta's formula, makukuha natin yung sum ng roots, which is r plus s. Negative b over a. Ito yung formula. So, ito yung a, ito yung b, ito yung c. So, negative of negative 8 over 4. That is equal to 2. Ito yung r plus s. So, pwede natin siya isulat dito, 2. Next, divide both sides by 2. And that is equal to 1. Next, gagawin ko is, eto, gagamitin natin dito. R plus S equal to 2. So, solve natin yung isang variable kahit alin. So, in this case, add natin. We have 2r is equal to 3. Paka-cancel yan. R is equal to 3 half. So, saan ba natin to gagamitin? Diba kapag roots yan, magsasatisfy siya sa equation. So, ito palang r over 2, pag sinubstitute natin dyan, mag-satisfy yan. So, 4 times 9, 3 over 2 squared is equal to 8, 3 half minus d. And ayan, makukuha natin yung value ng d. So, ito magiging 4 times 9 over 4. Ito magiging, ito makakancel yan, diba? 4 times 3 na lang, magiging 12. So, lipat natin itong d. Ito mawawala. So, 12 minus 9. That is 3. And the vertex of a parabola is at negative 3, 2. If the parabola passes through negative 4, 4, what are the coordinates of its y-intercept? So, ako pag conic section yan, dinodraw ko agad, ginagraph ko. So, graph natin. Sabi, vertex 8 is negative 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. So, ito yung vertex natin. Next, passes through the point negative 4, 4. So, ito yan. Next, ang hinahanap yung coordinates ng y-intercept. So, since ito yung vertex ng parabola, ang possible lang na drawing nito is either pa ganito or either pa ganito. But since meron tayong y-intercept, siya yung dadaan sa y-axis, so ang possible na graph lang niya is pa ganito. So let's say andito yung natin. Kasi impossible naman na andito yan. Ito yung possible na graph ng parabola natin. And ang hinahanap natin is yung coordinates nito, which is 0, y. So, ito yung vertex. So, given itong graph, importante to para malaman natin kung anong equation ba yung gagamitin natin. And that is x minus h squared is equal to 4p y minus k. This is the equation, standard equation for the parabola whose opening is upward. So, vertex natin hk, that is ito. Ito yung h, ito yung k. Substitute na natin, we have x plus 3. Naging plus 3 kasi negative times negative. And ang k natin is 2. Next, passing through the points. Di ba ang point is x, y? Pwede natin siya i-substitute. That is equal to negative 4 plus 3. Sinubstitute ko lang. Ang y natin is 4. So, magiging negative 1 squared is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. So, magiging 8 na lang yan. Solving for p, divide both sides by 8. So, p is equal to 1, 8. Bakit ko kinuha muna yung p? Para makuha natin ito. So, ang gagamitin na nating formula is etong part. And papalitan na natin siya ng 1/8 yung p. And, yan ay yung gagamitin nating equation. So, meron tayong, di ba pag meron tayong point, that is x, that is y. And, ang goal natin is hanapin yung y. So, palitan natin ng yung x, that is 0. And eto magiging 1/2 na lang. Y minus 2. So, solving for y. So, 3 squared, 9. 1/2 y. So, ano ko na, distribute ko na. 1/2 times negative 2, that is negative 1. So, lipat ko, magiging 10 is equal to 1/2 y. Multiplied both sides by the reciprocal of this, that is 2. So, y is equal to 20. Pero ang hinahanap, yung coordinates ng y-intercept. And that is 0, 20. This is the final answer.